Hello everyone, welcome to Infinity CAD. In today's tutorial, we will create this amazing object. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use lofted boss base command and how to create this hollow object using the shell command. Now we will choose top plane and sketch. Now let's choose a polygon from here. Give a number of sides as 5 inscribed in a circle, and all of this will be same. So from here select a center point and select this point like this and select OK. Now go to Smart Dimension and select this edge. Give it a distance of 75 mm and select OK. Now let's exit this sketch. Go to Features and select Reference Plane. Let's make it isometric by pressing Ctrl+7. From here, first select a top plane. Give it a distance of 95 mm in an upper direction and select OK. So now our plane is created. Now just select this plane and select Sketch. On this sketch, we will draw one point on the center point. So select from your point and select the center point and select OK. Now as you can see, we have created our point. Now let's just exit the sketch. Again go to Features and select from your lofted boss base. This point is already selected. Now select this sketch. You can see it is lofted and select OK. Now let's hide this plane first. Let's choose from your front plane and select Sketch. Now choose a line. Draw one vertical line of 30 mm. Select OK. Again select from your line and select this end point. Give it a distance of 75 mm. Select OK. Now let's draw again. Now again select one line. Select this point and select OK. Now let's just trim this unwanted portion. Select here trim entities. Trim this and select OK. Now let's exit the sketch. Go to Features and select from your reference plane. Select this line and in a second reference select here front plane and select OK. You can see we have created one plane. Now again go to Extruded Cut and select this line. From this line make it through all. Here select OK. Now our cut is defined. Now let's hide this plane. Select Hide. Let's select this face and from here select Shell command. Give it a shell of 2 mm and select OK. See, our shell is now created. Now let's zoom it first and select this face and select Sketch. Select from your Convert Entities and convert these edges. This inside edge is not converted. Now let's rotate this somehow. So again select Convert Entities, select this edge, select this edge, this one and all of these inside edges. And select from here OK. You can see all these inside and outside edges of this polygon are now converted. So again exit the sketch and go to features and select extruded boss base. The height of it will be 5 mm and select OK from here. So now our component is ready. Let's give some color to this component. From here first select loft and select edit appearance. Give it a color of this and select OK. Again select this boss extrude 2, appearance, and give it some yellow color. That's fine, and select OK. That's all in this tutorial. I hope you like it. If you think that this video has given you some knowledge, then just go and hit this like button and don't forget to subscribe us. Thanks for watching.